Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at 3 different ways how you can make an emergency call on the iPhone 15 series. So the first method is to press and hold on the side button and the volume up or volume down key. So it can be any of the keys here. So just press and hold. So let's do it now together. So press on both keys at once. Press and hold for a second or two. Press and hold. Then after that you can let go of the button. From here you can swipe across like this to start the emergency call. So that is the first method. The second method will allow you to make the call without requiring you to swipe. So press on hold on the side button or the volume up or volume down key for 5 seconds. So press and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can see here it will start to make the emergency call, and let go of the buttons, it will stop the emergency call. Now if you want to cancel, you can tap on the cancel button to cancel it. And the next method and the last method is to press the side button rapidly 5 times. So here you can see if I press it 5 times quickly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will start to make the emergency call. But before it does so, it will count down. So count down from 8 to 6 seconds. If you do nothing, it will start to make the emergency call. So here I can tap on stop calling to cancel the emergency call. Now if you want to use any of this feature, you need to activate it first. So to do that, you go into settings, and in settings you scroll down, then tap on emergency SOS. In here, make sure call with hold and release button is switched on so that you can press and hold on the buttons to make the emergency call like this. So that needs to turn on. The next one is the call with file button presses. So make sure this is turned on if you want to start the emergency call by pressing on the side button rapidly 5 times. And that will start to make the emergency call. And lastly, if you want to make the call quietly, you can turn on call quietly toggle button. Otherwise, if we switch it off, you can see that when we start to make the emergency call, it will raise a noise. And that's it. Those are the 3 different ways how you can make an emergency call on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.